Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Dilip Kumar, interventional cardiologist at Medica Super Specialty Hospital. So, we have come a long way in our fight against this corona pandemic. We have got many new understandings, and I will share some facts regarding COVID-19 and heart disease. So, the most notable feature of this virus is that it affects and hits hard to those who are vulnerables. So, who are these vulnerables? So, those patients who have underlying cardiac disease, underlying COPD, immunocompromised patients like cancer patients, CRF CKD patients on dialysis, hypertensive patients. So, these patients, the fatality rate is remarkably high. The COVID-19 can also present like heart attack, myocardial infarction, heart failure, and sometimes sudden cardiac death. And it all happens because the heart is under tremendous pressure in this COVID-19 disease because of hypoxia and sympathetic overactivity. And there is also an intense ongoing inflammation during COVID-19 disease, which can lead to plaque rupture and heart attack. So, all these three factors can lead to heart attack, heart failure, and sudden cardiac death. So, the bottom line is prevention is the only answer right now which looks feasible. And so, if someone has heart disease, underlying cardiac disease, they have to follow social distancing and isolation in the strictest of terms. Finally, a word about ACE inhibitors, ARBs. We have been getting calls for since last 3 months. Many patients have been asking that they were taking ACE inhibitors, ARBs, and now what they should do, because ACE2 gene, ACE2 receptor is responsible for the entry of virus inside the cells. But finally, the water is getting clearer. We have got an answer. Recent reports published in JACC, complemented with other studies as well. It is now clear and more or less accepted that there is some safety as well as part of benefit when we are taking ACE inhibitors and ARBs. So, please continue those medicines if the patients were taking earlier. So, every problem has a good thing to bring. So, there is also a silver lining in this corona pandemic, and that is the lesser incidence of stroke and MI. And that is not what we see in West Bengal. It is seen all across India, in fact all across the globe. The reasons being less pollution, quality time with the family, and less professional stress. So, I end here with a message that we will definitely overcome this corona crisis, but it can come only at the cost of our strict discipline, and we have to follow the laid down guidelines of WHO and Government of India. Thank you so much. Stay healthy, stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Thank you so much.